It's Sunday, the 28th of December. Given that we're coming up to the end of 2014, I thought it would be a good time to have a look at the BHP chart, being the sort of bellwether stock for the commodities sector. The last 3 or 4 months have been pretty weak for BHP, like most of the commodities, and now it's broken below the $30 support level that had been in place for a couple of years. And I think a lot of people are asking what's going to happen next. I've drawn a few sort of the common repeating ranges here. This sort of $10 smaller move is repeated quite a few times. You can see here, and then another one in 2013. And we've sort of seen that play out once, then it's bounced back up a little bit, and now it's heading back down again below $30. The longer term repeating range is this move here, this sort of I think it's about a $16 move. Now that's happened 3 or 4 times. I'm calling it one here as well because this $20 breakdown to $20 was really only for a period of less than a week before it bounced straight back up. So all those people calling for the $20 bottom, matching the GFC low, I think that could be a bit premature. And I think this $24 zone is quite critical before we might see $20. We have to see how it reacts first. But so I'm looking at that sort of $16 move would take us back down to that zone again. And given that there's not a lot in BHP's favor at the moment, oil, their critical commodities, I guess, are copper, oil, iron ore, and I think potash. But so iron ore having broken down this year, and now in the last couple of months, oil. That's doesn't look like there's going to be a huge turnaround anytime soon. So the sentiment's pretty poor toward BHP, and I think we could be seeing this $24 zone before we see any sort of recovery.